How to go live on TikTok. If you're wondering how to go live on TikTok, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start live streaming on the TikTok. First things first, you need to know the TikTok live eligibility requirements. First, before you go live, make sure you meet these requirements. You must have 1,000 plus followers. TikTok only unlocks live for users with at least 1,000 followers. You must be at least 16 years old to start a live stream, and if you're 18 or older, you can receive virtual gifts during live sessions. If you don't meet these requirements yet, focus on growing your account by posting engaging content and interacting with your audience. Now, to go live on TikTok, open TikTok app, tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. And as you can see, we have 10 minutes, 60-second, 50-second photo. There will be an option that says live. Simply swipe right to the live option. Enter a catchy live title and choose a cover image and add filters if needed, and simply go live and you're streaming. That's it. Now you're live and ready to engage with your audience.